In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare JotForm and Google Forms, two popular tools used for creating forms online. We'll start by exploring the purpose and best uses for each platform. This examination will help you identify which tool is most suitable for your specific needs. Let's begin with Google Forms. It's widely recognized for its simplicity and efficiency. This platform shines when it comes to creating straightforward surveys, quizzes, and basic data collections. It's particularly advantageous for environments like schools, where teachers might want to quickly gather feedback from students. It's also perfect for personal projects or conducting small surveys, as it doesn't require much time or effort to set up. Google Forms lets you get straight to the point with the essentials, offering a no-frills approach that makes the whole process incredibly efficient and user-friendly. On the other hand, JotForm stands out with its capability to handle more complex tasks. It's designed for those who need advanced features in their forms, such as for business workflows, applications, or even payment processing. It's an excellent choice when you have to handle registrations, bookings, or any type of automation. Essentially, if you need something more robust that can manage intricate requirements, JotForm is undoubtedly the way to go. Now let's delve into design and customization, a crucial aspect when deciding which tool is best for your needs. With Google Forms, you'll find the design options to be quite basic. It's characterized by limited themes and branding options, resulting in simple and uniform-looking forms. This straightforwardness is part of what makes Google Forms so easy and quick to use, but it does offer less in terms of aesthetic personalization. In contrast, JotForm excels with its design features, offering a drag-and-drop builder that is both intuitive and versatile. It provides highly customizable layouts, themes, and branding capabilities that allow you to craft forms that appear professional and tailored to your brand's identity. If you prize an aesthetically appealing and professional presentation, JotForm has a distinct advantage here, allowing you to create forms that are not only functional but visually impressive as well. Between the two, JotForm takes the spotlight for its superior customization features, offering a depth of design flexibility that Google Forms lacks. Whether it's adjusting layouts to match brand aesthetics or needing an advanced form that connects with other business workflows, JotForm provides that extra layer of sophistication and depth. In conclusion, the choice between Google Forms and JotForm really boils down to what suits your specific requirements. If you're seeking simplicity and quick setup for basic forms, especially for educational or personal use, Google Forms is a superb option. However, if you're looking for advanced functionality and rich design options, particularly for professional or business needs, JotForm is the clear winner. I hope this detailed comparison helps you in making an informed decision. Thank you for watching.